Hello, my name is Jill Nitch, and this is my video for AEP 859 Curriculum and Evaluation. A little bit about me. I originally grew up in Kensington, Kansas, graduated from Kensington High School. After high school, I went on to Bethany College, where I played basketball and did track for a year. I graduated from there in 2004, where after that, I went out to Hugoton, Kansas, and taught for 10 years. I am currently teaching in Pratt, Kansas at Liberty Middle School. I have all the fifth grade there, part of the sixth grade, and then the seventh and eighth grade girls in health and PE. I also coach middle school volleyball and basketball. I'm a huge sports fan, especially Kansas teams, KU, Royals, Chiefs, any of those. I like to watch any sort of sport. Goals, short-term goal for myself. I'm taking the certification test in April to become an administrator. So to pass that would be a very short-term goal for myself. Another short-term goal would be to finish my coursework for Fort Hays to get my master's. I'll be done with that at the end of the summer. I have 2 classes this spring, 2 more in June, and then 1 more in July, and I'll be done. A long-term goal would be to become an assistant principal / athletic director somewhere. And an even longer-term goal, I would like to work at a school somewhere out of state. What I hope to learn, I would say my major weakness as far as being an administrator would be curriculum. I've kind of stayed in my own little area and not ventured out, and I should have, to learn more about curriculum. I hope to learn the ins and outs of curriculum, how I can better serve the staff I will be leading in the future, and how I should be making decisions about curriculum. And that's exciting to me, that the changes that schools are going through to work on their curriculum, to kind of update it and make it more relevant for students. Thank you very much.